Welcome to the channel. My name is Matthias. Today we're going to talk about the Space Phantom. So, this particular character sheet came out late 80s, early 90s. There's a long ways to go for the Avengers Forever miniseries, which established that Space Phantom was not an individual, but like this whole alien race. That they were basically the minions of Immostus. So up until this point, all the appearances that we had of Space Phantom, it was thought it was just one individual, and this would be his stats. But one can presuppose that all these stats are the same for the whole alien race. So its intelligence is above normal. Now, strength, speed, stamina, durability, agility, reflexes, even fighting skills are variable. Now, all these stats are variable because Space Phantom can choose a target and assume its form and all of its powers. And when they do this, that target is shunned to limbo. They're stuck there. So basically, Space Phantom is like a Skrull on steroids. Now, even though Space Phantom can take the shape of one person at a time, it can change its shape in quick succession and go after one target after another. Now, there's one limitation to Space Phantom's powers. It can't copy the abilities of characters that are magical in nature. So, Space Phantom's first appearance was in Avengers issue 2. He appears on Earth for the first time. He battles the titular team and is defeated when he tries to copy the powers of Thor. Then his next appearances in Avengers issues 106 to 108, where Phantom forges an alliance with Grim Reaper and he actually replaces Madam Hydra. And commanding Hydra forces, he sends them up against the Avengers. And he's defeated again when he tries to replace Rick Jones, but since he was connected to Captain Marvel, Phantom's powers go haywire and he ends up back in limbo. Then in Giant Size Avengers issue 4, under the orders of Immortus, Space Phantom replaces Mantis to be able to manipulate Kang. Then in Thor issues 281 to 282, Space Phantom tries to trick Thor into liberating his home planet from limbo. Then we have Rom issue 19, where he encounters the titular character in limbo. Then we have Avengers issue 268, where he encounters that titular team there. Then in Spectacular Spider-Man issues 168 to 170, Space Phantom is part of this plot to pit Spider-Man against the Avengers. So that's the last appearance that we have on this character sheet.